Welcome to a world where the sizzling sounds of succulent meat, the tantalizing aroma of spices, and the vibrant colors of fresh vegetables collide. A world where taste takes center stage and each bite is a culinary adventure. This world is none other than the world of shawarma, a Middle Eastern delicacy that has become a global sensation. Imagine biting into a warm, fluffy pita bread, packed with tender marinated meat, crisp vegetables, and a drizzle of tangy sauce. The explosion of flavors is enough to transport you to the bustling streets of the Middle East, where shawarma reigns supreme. Now, imagine creating this masterpiece in your own kitchen. Yes, the journey to mastering the art of homemade shawarma begins here. The first step is to marinate the meat. Traditionally, shawarma is made with lamb or chicken, but feel free to get creative. The secret lies in the marinade, a perfect blend of yogurt, vinegar, garlic, and a mix of Middle Eastern spices like cumin, coriander, and turmeric. Let the meat soak in this flavorful bath overnight to truly infuse the flavors. Once the meat is marinated to perfection, it's time to cook. If you have a rotisserie, great. If not, don't worry. A hot skillet will do just fine. Cook the meat until it's juicy and tender, with a beautiful golden brown crust. While the meat is cooking, prepare the veggies. The classic shawarma filling includes tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, and onions. But again, feel free to mix and match according to your taste. Now comes the sauce. A typical shawarma sauce is a garlicky, tangy tahini sauce. But if you're feeling adventurous, a spicy harissa or a cool and creamy yogurt sauce could be your choice. Once everything is prepared, it's time to assemble the shawarma. Start with a warm pita bread, add a generous layer of sauce, then the meat, and finally top it with the fresh veggies. Roll it up and voila, your homemade shawarma is ready to be devoured. To recap, the secret to a mouthwatering shawarma lies in the marination, the cooking of the meat, the freshness of the veggies, and the choice of sauce. Remember, making shawarma is not just about following a recipe, it's about creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your taste buds. So the next time you're craving a taste of the Middle East, why not take a culinary adventure right in your own kitchen? With a bit of patience, some creativity, and a whole lot of love, you can whip up a shawarma that's every bit as delicious as the one from your favorite food stall. After all, the beauty of cooking lies in the journey, not just the destination. Welcome to the world of homemade shawarma. Bon appetit!